everyone, I'm Rachel, a nurse practitioner and health educator. Today we are exploring something you might have heard a lot about lately, GLP-1 medications like semaglutide and tirzepatide. They're making headlines for helping with weight loss. But have you heard that they may also help with treating fatty liver disease? Let's unpack how they work, not just for your waistline, but also for your liver health. GLP-1 stands for glucagon-like peptide 1, which is a natural hormone made in your small intestine, especially from L cells located in the distal ileum and colon. It is released after you eat, and it plays a crucial role in slowing gastric emptying, stimulating insulin release, suppressing glucagon, a hormone that raises blood glucose, and most importantly, reducing appetite. But now, how does it suppress appetite? That's where the brain comes in. GLP-1 travels through the bloodstream and also signals through the vagus nerve to the hypothalamus, which is the brain's hunger regulation center. Within the hypothalamus, GLP-1 acts specifically on the arcuate nucleus, a key brain region that integrates signals related to hunger and fullness. This area is where hormones like leptin, ghrelin, insulin, and GLP-1 converge to tell your brain, it's time to eat, or you're full. By activating GLP-1 receptors in the arcuate nucleus, these medications reduce appetite, increase satiety, and lower food intake, which in turn leads to weight loss. MAFLD, or Metabolic Dysfunction Associated Fatty Liver Disease, is the newer term for what used to be called NAFLD. It refers to excess fat buildup in the liver caused by insulin resistance, obesity, or metabolic issues, not caused by alcohol. Over time, MAFLD can progress to liver inflammation and scarring, known as NASH, non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, and even cirrhosis. GLP-1 medications help target the root causes by reducing appetite through brain signaling, leading to sustainable weight loss. GLP-1 medications improve insulin sensitivity, which helps reduce fat production in the liver, and lower inflammation in both fat tissue and the liver. They may even directly improve liver metabolism, although research is still ongoing. Several clinical trials have shown promising results. A 2021 study in The Lancet found that semaglutide significantly reduced the liver fat content in the people with MAFLD. Another trial published in the New English Journal of Medicine showed that tirzepatide helped resolve liver inflammation and reduce fibrosis markers in people with obesity and fatty liver. Importantly, these benefits occurred even in people who did not lose a huge amount of weight, suggesting GLP-1 medications might have a direct effect on the liver. Let's be clear, GLP-1 medications aren't a magic bullet. They work best when combined with lifestyle changes. Eating whole, fiber-rich foods, exercising regularly, having quality sleep, and managing stress. But for people struggling with both moderate to severe obesity and metabolic diseases, including fatty liver. These medications may help turn the tide by improving blood sugar, reducing fat contents, and even slowing disease progression. GLP-1 receptor agonists that demonstrated significant efficacy in managing type 2 diabetes and weight loss. And emerging research suggests a wider range of potential health benefits, including metabolic dysfunction associated fatty liver disease. However, it is important to understand the variability in an individual's response and potential side effects, and need for further research, especially regarding long term effects. Lastly, incorporating lifestyle changes is mandatory for successful and long lasting overall health. Making conscious changes to your diet, activity level, and stress management empowers you to make control over your health and well being. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this episode gave you better insight and encouragement. Let's experience the power of a healthy lifestyle. Your body is incredibly resilient when you give it the right support. I'm Rachel, and see you in the next episode.